Good morning, students. Now in this session we will study about the condition that leads to the autosomal diseases and the examples. Now the first condition that leads to autosomal diseases, that is trisomy. Trisomy means we have total 23 pairs. So within them, if any extra pair is present in any of the pair, then it is known as trisomy. Generally in two pairs we have in particular, means suppose the first pair is there, the second pair, third pair, so generally two chromosomes are there. Instead that the third chromosome is also present, then it is referred to as trisomy. Second condition that leads to autosomal diseases is autosomal deletion. Third is microdeletion, and fourth is chromosomal instability. Now what is this trisomy? It is a type of polysomy in which there are 3 instances of a particular chromosome instead of the normal 2. A trisomy is a type of aneuploidy, that is an abnormal number of chromosomes is present in the particular karyotype. As we have seen that total 46 chromosomes and 23 pairs are there. So instead of that, one more extra pair is present, and that refers to the abnormal number of chromosome, and if the extra pair is present, then it is referred to as trisomy. If the chromosome pairs fails to separate properly during cell division, the egg or sperm may end up with a second copy of one of the chromosome, and that is referred to as non-disjunction. This word will be repeatedly used, students, so please remember this term, that is non-disjunction. If the chromosome pair fail to separate during the time of cell division, the egg or sperm will have a second copy of one of the chromosome, and that is referred to as non-disjunction. If such a gamete results in fertilization and an embryo, the resulting embryo may also have an entire copy of the extra chromosome. So this is the characteristics of the trisomy, how trisomy happens. Now trisomy, it is the most common types of autosomal trisomy that survive to birth in humans, and these are the examples are there. If trisomy happens in the 21st pair, then the example is Down syndrome. If trisomy happens on 18th chromosome, then the example is Edwards syndrome, and if trisomy happens on 13 number of chromosome, then the example is Patau syndrome. So first one we will see, that is the Patau syndrome, that is trisomy appears at the 13 number of chromosome. Now Patau syndrome is also known as trisomy 13 and trisomy D, is a chromosomal abnormality. It is a syndrome in which a patient had an additional chromosome 13 due to non-disjunction of chromosomes during meiosis. Some are caused by Robertsonian translocation. The extra chromosome 13 disrupts the normal course of development, causing heart and kidney defects, amongst other features characteristics of Patau syndrome. Now the frequency of this Patau syndrome is 1 in 10,000 and also 1 in 21,700 in live births. That is, you have to remember this, that is on 13 number of chromosome trisomy appears, so total chromosome will be the 47 chromosome instead of 46. Now what are the features of Patau syndrome? Means if the individuals they are affected with the Patau syndrome, this all characteristics are seen: mental deficiency, low birth weight, abnormal development of frontal lobe, as it is very much important, frontal lobe is very much necessary for majority of the functions. Absence of corpus callosum. Now students, you have learned in the 10th standard what is corpus callosum. That is a band of tissue is that is connecting the two cerebral hemisphere. Hypoplasia of cerebellum. Now hypoplasia, it is particularly referred to as underdevelopment of tissue or the organ, and the result of this is individual may have less number of cells. Sloping forehead, scalp defects, means either the hair will be less or some kind of disease will happen. Malformed ears, Congenital heart defects means by the birth only the individual can have the heart problems. Renal tract anomalies, renal as it is related to the kidney, any difficulty or problems may occur in the kidney regulation. Microphthalmia, that is again the abnormality or defect in the eyes, that is either the eyeballs of both the eye, they are underdeveloped or they are not developed at all. This is referred to as microphthalmia. Eyeballs, they are underdeveloped or they are not developed at all in both the eyes. Bilateral cleft lip, that is the palate is damaged. Polydactyly with rudimentary disease. Polydactyly means presence of extra finger, as Hrithik Roshan is having the presence of extra finger, that is referred to as polydactyly. Rocker bottom hill, that is whatever the hill portion is there, that is somewhat, it is not normal. Okay, so these are the features of Patau syndrome. Now this is the karyotype from a female with Patau syndrome. See how the individual it is looking like. That is 47 total chromosome is there, and individual is female, and on the 13 number of chromosome it is affected. You can see here instead of 2, 3 are present, 1, 2, 3 at the 13 number. So this is the abnormality. Here you can see other defects, small head, absent eyebrows, no eyebrows are there. Cleft lip, here you can see cleft lip means a split cut you can observe in the lip. Ears, they are not well developed, they are been attached to the skin only. Clutched hands and polydactyly, that is you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are, this is the extra. Undescended or abnormal testis, means testis also it is not well developed. So this is the particular all features of Patau syndrome is there. I hope it is clear to you. That is the first example of trisomy on 13 number of chromosome is referred to as Patau syndrome.